I'll be showing you the vertical and horizontal scrolling on Figma in case you have content and you want to show everything. So this horizontal scrolling. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to scroll horizontally and also scroll vertically, which can be done in just few minutes. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and also turn on your notification to get notified of any new video. I have a frame. I just name it home page. I just removed some of this element to just show you how I was able to achieve something like this. And another card, just duplicate this. I'm going to just arrange it. I won't really change the picture because I want here to scroll horizontally, and also the content here too to scroll horizontally. Then the content here will scroll vertically. So let's get right into this. I think it's quite okay. I'm going to change the pictures just to give it a better feel. Just gonna use a plugin. Change the pictures on this card so that it will be more clear. So I'm going to just hold my and hold my shift key and select and put them in auto layout. Shift A, or you can just search from here and use auto layout. So I'm done with this particular card. I'm done with this particular card. So I'm going to head over and place them here. Let me zoom this. Just place it above. Yeah, I think this is just to show you an example, but I think it's okay. Then for this vertical, I want it to scroll vertically because we all know that this is going to scroll horizontally. Let me reduce this padding. It's quite much. 24. Let me just leave it as 24. So here we scroll horizontally. Here we scroll horizontally. Here we scroll horizontally. But I want this card to scroll vertically. So let's work on this. I'm just going to remove card. So this is it. I've duplicated them so that they can, I'll show you just how we can scroll vertically. So I'm just going to Control Z all. So this is it now. And if I'm going to bring this back, all I have to do is just click on it, then click on clip content. When I clip my content, I can just push this up. I think it's okay. I can just take it up, then bring this in, well, my contents are still here actually. My content is still on this card, but you can still see my content. It's just clipped. So let's get to the real video now, the scrolling part. So you can just select this. Your content is here already. Just select it. Go to prototype, and you are going to see something. Let's say no scrolling, horizontal. It said for scrolling to work on this frame, the content needs to be bigger than the frame. So let's go back to design. Let me show you something you have to do before you can achieve the horizontal scrolling. When you are in design, right, you are going to have to clip the content. When you clip your content, then you shift it inside to be exactly where this frame stop. I think I should show you what I mean. So here we have it. It's on prototype. You see here the first content here is moving horizontally because the content is clipped, and we have fixed it to, you just go to prototype position. There's a lot, you just like fix and stay in a place, then the overflow will be horizontal. There's horizontal, there's vertical, there's both direction. So I'm just going to put horizontal. Then for this particular screen, let me check whether we have clipped our content. Our content is clipped, and the prototype has been set to fixed, stay in the one place, and overflow is horizontal. So let's try it here. It's moving horizontally too. So this is vertical scrolling. And remember, we have not clipped our content yet. So let's see what it will do. And then we shift it to be inside this frame. If it's not well fitted, if it's not inside well, when you go to prototype, you are going to see something. Let's icing. For scrolling to work on the frame, the content needs to be bigger than the frame. So that means the content is still outside. So let's go back to design. Let's preview it on prototype to see the end result. Zoom it. So this is to scroll horizontally. This is to scroll horizontally, which is doing, and this is to scroll vertically. And we have been able to achieve that. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and if there's any topic you want me to talk about or show you how to go about it, just drop in the comment section.